Good morning, and welcome to episode 46 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021. Yesterday, the equities markets tumbled a bit as Congress continues to wrestle with the debt ceiling issue. They will increase it, and they are also wrestling with the stimulus measures that they're trying to push through. 1.9 and $3.5 trillion more money we don't have. They will fund it with monetary expansion, pulling money from that magical money tree, creating it out of thin air, making every dollar in your pocket worth less. Here at Asset Strategies, we're very concerned about the prognosis for all of our retirement. We have an idea, a vision of what we want in retirement. We don't know at this point, with the weakening US dollar and the increased money supply, that we'll be able to fund it. We're doing an article tomorrow in our Always Something Interesting alert, and also next week, The Perspective is dedicated to retirement concerns. We're going to look at this over the next year. Bottom line, Social Security is unfunded and it has been pillaged. It will not be there for many of us in the future. Pension schemes were built basis flawed assumptions that they can earn a certain level of a return with conservative investments, and that is just not attainable at zero to near zero interest rates like we've been over the past decade. And of course, we've got that everything bubble. Those stock portfolios look great until the Fed pulls out that pin and pops the bubble they created, and we'll see all those asset values drop in price. We're concerned, and we are not alone. A longtime client and friend, Don Taylor, wrote in yesterday, and I'll share it with you. He said, "I am increasingly less trustful and therefore less dependent upon IRAs and 401ks. Pensions are nearly non-existent for anyone born after 1970. But those vehicles are poorly funded and adversely affected by the distortion which comes through monetary policy. It is dubious pensions will make payments to those dependent upon such an income stream for the duration of the lives of the pensioners." Don, thank you for sending that in. I could not have said it better myself. If you do not have gold in your portfolio to secure your financial future, you're missing the boat, especially with the ability to buy in at these low prices. Let's look at the prices. Gold today is at $17.44 an ounce, down 1.8% from last week's price at $17.7660. Silver is down 1.75%, 40 cents, to $22.39 from $22.79 last week. Platinum is up $2, 1/4%, to $9.77 from $9.75 last week. And palladium is down 3.25% to $19.79 an ounce from $20.46 last week. The gold-silver ratio, as you can imagine, ticked down slightly, with silver slightly outperforming gold. It's at 78.20 this week versus 78.29 last. And the US dollar ticked up to 93.83 from 93.23. You have a great opportunity here to make a difference for your retirement with these low gold and silver prices. The increase in the money supply dictates that gold prices and silver prices will be rising in the future. You need them in your portfolio to shore up your retirement. As always, we'd like you to subscribe and like us here on our YouTube channel. Send us your comments and questions. Pay attention to our upcoming newsletters and alerts. There's a lot of information in there we don't want you to miss. Follow us on social media, and don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.